Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the physical connections and power. Check the CPU or GPU outputs, HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA, and match them to each monitor. If a monitor lacks a matching input, choose the correct adapter. Use active adapters for DisplayPort to HDMI when needed. Once done, power on monitors and the PC, make sure cables are fully seated, and access your operating system's display settings so you can configure displays as either duplicate or extended. You now connect each monitor to its assigned port and boot to the desktop. If available, use DisplayPort for multi-stream transport. Otherwise, use one HDMI plus one DisplayPort or DVI. Once logged in, open Display Settings, click Detect, and drag the screen icons to match physical layout. Make one monitor primary, set resolution and refresh rate for each to avoid performance mismatch, and apply scaling so text and UI elements are consistent. If you hit black screens, recheck cable types and port priorities. Finish by fine-tuning alignment and color calibration so windows move smoothly between screens. Make sure GPU drivers are current, update them, and reboot to resolve many detection issues. If the second monitor still fails, swap cables, try different ports, or replace passive adapters with active ones. Sometimes a USB-C or Thunderbolt dock helps when ports are limited. One key troubleshooting tip: if a monitor shows signal but no image, test it on another system to isolate whether the cable, adapter, or monitor is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.